Hi Math, I'm Andy. What happens when you have a base number to an exponent and you want to divide it by that same base number to a different exponent? Well, if we were to expand this out, 2 to the 5th power is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times itself 5 times. 2 to the 3rd power represents 2 times 2 times 2. Now, in division, if we wanted to cancel out common things above and below, because in the order of operations we can do multiplication or division, we can say that 2 divided by 2 has a value of 1. 2 divided by 2 has a value of 1. And 2 divided by 2 has a value of 1. So all we have left is 2 times 2 on the top. Now 2 times 2 can also be seen as 2 to the 2nd power. Now we may notice something interesting about the exponents of 5 and 3. We see that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, which was the exponent that we ended up with. Let's check this again, and let's use some variables. Let's say that the letter x can represent any number that we want. And let's say, what is x to the 7th power? And let's divide it by the same base, the same unknown number, x, and let's say to the 6th power. Well, again, expanding this out, this is going to represent 7 x's in the numerator and 6 x's in our denominator. Now, although we don't know the value of x, we do know that the value would be the same for each x we have. So whatever that value is divided by whatever that value is going to make a 1. X divided by x is 1. X divided by x is 1. X divided by x is 1, 1, and 1, only leaving us with 1x in the numerator and ultimately a 1 in our denominator, which we could just make disappear. Now, if we wanted to write x with an exponent, because there is only one of them, we would say it has an exponent of 1. Now again, take a look at our exponent situation. We had x to the 7th and x to the 6th, and it just so happens that 7 minus 6 equals 1. Now this will work no matter what your base is, as long as it's the same. So math has come up with a law of exponents that says that any number raised to any exponent divided by the same number raised to any other exponent can be simplified or more easily written as m minus n as our exponent. Just as we saw, 5 minus 3 was 2, and 7 minus 6 was 1.